My name is Bryan Ravenshear, and in January 2023 I took on the role of General Manager at IMechE Argyll Ruane and IMechE Fife NDT Limited. Looking back over the past year, we've had a number of successes, and I'm proud to have led the business through this new era so far. There have been a series of organisational improvements aimed at fostering the growth of our NDT and coating services. Some of these have included streamlining our processes, honing our structure, enhancing communication, and improving our efficiencies. As a result of these internal refinements, we've harnessed a wealth of enhanced skills and expertise, unlocked greater flexibility in resource allocation, and created a seamless client experience that benefit our students, Level 3 clients, and global partners. I believe our successes have largely come from the formation of our dynamic leadership team. We have a team of career-orientated individuals who are passionate about making a positive impact and aligned in working towards the same goal. This unity within our leadership team resonates throughout the entire organisation, extending to all employees and fostering a sense of collaboration that allows us to operate as one cohesive team. One thing I've actively promoted is the idea of all employees supporting industry initiatives where possible, by attending working groups, committees, workshops or events. This commitment to knowledge sharing has significantly contributed to enhancing industry standards and reinforcing our customer-centric approach over the past year. This is evident in the positive feedback we receive from clients we work with worldwide. Over the past year, our efforts have been focused on intensifying connections with our network of partners. We have worked diligently to enhance their understanding of our services and to contribute to the development of skilled inspectors on an international level. Collaborating with individuals who share our passion for the industry has enabled us to pinpoint and actively support upcoming global projects within our field. Whilst in a senior role, I feel one of my strengths is that I still continue to support the industry we serve, not only as a Level 3 consultant, but also by contributing to various working groups and committees. As a leader, it's important to me to empower employees by nurturing their capabilities and provide them with the tools to excel in their roles. It involves trusting them to carry out their responsibilities, identifying any training needs, and ultimately allowing them to thrive in their positions. The team's growth over the past year is a testament to the growth mindset culture we have cultivated together. It's been a fantastic year for us, and I'm extremely proud of what has been accomplished. I'm confident there's so much more to achieve as a team, and I look forward to seeing what the future has in store for us.